Hi, I'm Susan. Today I'm participating in week 42 of the Margarete Miller Collage Challenge. And this week's prompt is one of those that's unique. It's what's your favorite beverage of choice? Create a collage in recognition of it. And I am choosing coffee because I cannot start my day without my coffee. And my husband always fixes me the best cup of coffee. So I hope you'll enjoy this video. Be sure and check out Margarete Miller's channel and be sure and check out the hashtag 2022 CWP42 to see what everybody's favorite beverage is. So without further ado, let's get started. Well, here it is. My favorite beverage, coffee. And I've got a nice little pocket right here for my prompt. I thrifted a coffee book, and I messed up the little coffee grinder. But I had dropped this on the floor and then forgot about it. So when I saw it, that was more important, and I already had a coffee grinder here. And I hope you enjoyed this video. It was a lot of fun, and I love how it turned out. I even used my coffee dyed paper for the background. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't. Ring that bell so you can be notified when I upload new content. Leave a comment. Tell me what you think. Be sure and check out Margarete Miller's channel, and be sure and check out the hashtag 2022 CWP42. Just a few more to go. So until next time, bye y'all.